Hello everyone, I am Harmish and today I will be demonstrating the MVP of my new project. Stick around till the end as I will share the details and my vision behind this app. So let's dive into the demonstration. So first here is the splash screen that welcomes to the app. Now let's move to the home screen. As you can see, we have some cards displaying trending important question, or as I like to call them IMPs. Next, let's check out the search screen. These are the questions that are loaded initially. You might notice that the screen has gone blank after clicking on a card. This is an intentional feature. It prevents users from taking screenshot of the content as it goes against our app's policies. Now to access the profile section, you need to sign up. I have integrated Google Sign In for a smooth and hassle-free user experience. And in this screen, all the universities that are available in our application are listed here. Now let's test the search feature seamlessly. This is the user dashboard. Here you can easily view and analysis of your profile. If needed, you can log out with just a single click. I have been developing this MVP for the past 2 weeks and I am really excited to share the inspiration behind it. During our exam, everyone was asking for important questions, reading materials, PDFs, and much more. It was so much manual work to find, send, and store these materials. It consumed my time and storage, and honestly, I didn't gain anything from it. That's when the idea hit me. Why not build a platform where you can access all of these resources in one place? No more hunting through WhatsApp or Telegram group chats, no more manual sharing. Just upload the material once and anyone can access it anytime. And the best part, you get paid for it. That time consuming labor you have been doing all of this time for free, now you are compensated for it. You won't believe this, but I developed this MVP during my exam time. I had exams every morning, but instead of studying at night like a normal student, I was late up developing this MVP. I ignored my exam preparations because I knew I couldn't let this idea wait. Honestly, this was too much of work, developing front end and back end both at the same time. I want to thank my friend Harpal for helping me out with the back end. Thank you, Harpal, and hope you all like this video. Comment down if you have any suggestions or advices for me.